Just one use, and I promise your hair will grow 10 times faster. They will never stop growing. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share with you an effective remedy to grow your hair 10 times faster. We need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Mix all the ingredients very well. Then apply this remedy on your hair and massage your scalp for 3 minutes. And leave it on for 20 minutes. Then wash it by your regular shampoo. How easy, right? Finally, I hope this remedy helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and make thumbs up for this video.